ニーニャか。
ねえ、だからこれ食べられないってあんたのガチ。
Why are kids so full of energy on weekends when they can barely drag themselves out of bed on a school day? On weekdays, getting them to eat breakfast is a battle. But days off, suddenly they are starving. And today, rain all day long. No car, living out in the countryside. So, where do we even go? Where would you go? All I want is a fun day with my kids. But I can already feel myself about to lose it. Today, once I finish making lunch, we are heading to the supermarket to grab some water guns. Then off to play in the park in the rain. My second son got some money as a school entry gift. So I treat the kids to their favorite foods while we're there.
そんなこと言っちゃいかんもん。
ママ、その気持ちうまい？避けるのがうますぎる。
はいはい。持てばいいやん。
太陽。
12歳以上？いくよ。
リール見てよ。リール見てよ。水鉄砲ね。ニーニーのこれ。ねえ、お前早まるな。はい、牛乳がね、今めちゃめちゃ楽しい。
はい、いただきちょっと。
これはみんなで食べるんだよ。ねえ、ママ。
ダメだ。
だってニーニーが食うから。食べるね。ここ嫌い。
できます。してない。はい。いくよ。はい、手合わせてください。はい、手合わせて。はい、いただきます。
いただきです。マスピってうますぎるけど。
マジ止まらない。
食べていい？もう見てみます。
前の日本に帰ってくる。
We do.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for always being here and cheering me on. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you could subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. It really makes my day. And if you'd like to support us a little extra, you can buy me a coffee through the QR code on the screen. There's also a link in the description. It truly means the world to me. In the next video, I'll share the rest of this rain day with you. After running around the park in the rain, I'm really hoping the boys sleep early tonight. Thanks for being part of our busy, noisy little family. I hope you'll keep coming along on this journey with us. See you in the next one. Bye bye.